Hey everybody, this is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. I want to show you a burst of moderate to heavy snow that could be coming through the southern part of the state late this evening. This is a radar forecast, high resolution model that I like, goes every 15 minutes. And let's start at 6 o'clock. What I want you to do is I want you to pay attention to the southwest part of the state, right in there. This would be at 9 o'clock tonight. And there you see, 8 o'clock, you can see the snow starting to develop. And as we get into 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock, there's the band of snow along I-94 through Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, heading toward Jackson, southern part of the state. And then we'll go into 11 o'clock, heading toward Ann Arbor and all along I-94. And then we go into midnight, coming toward the south side of Detroit, and then south of Ann Arbor, and eventually it shifts on to the south and east. How much? Here's that same computer model forecasting the amounts as we go through the late evening and overnight hours. It's not a ton, but I do want to make you aware that the roads could change quickly here. Kalamazoo along I-94, southern part of the state through Jackson, maybe close to Ann Arbor or maybe south, and probably staying out of the Detroit area. So if you're going to be traveling late this evening in the southern part of the state, watch for a quick burst of moderate to heavy snow.